Right now, as you watch this, there is a silent invasion happening inside you. In 2026, we've moved past the theory phase. New data shows that microplastics aren't just in our oceans, they are concentrated in our endocrine systems. Recent studies have found that synthetic kitchenware and heat-sealed packaging are leaching polymers directly into our food. We are seeing concentrations of nanoplastics, particles smaller than 1000 nanometers, breaching the blood-brain barrier and infiltrating the hypothalamus. The toxic life cycle of a plastic fork starts in a refinery and ends in your thyroid. But while petroleum-based polymers take 500 years to break down, there is a family of plants that can grow 35 inches in a single day. Welcome to the Poaceae family. The engineering genius of bamboo. This isn't just grass. This is a masterpiece of botanical engineering. If we look at the structural anatomy of a bamboo culm, we find the secret to its power: high-density silica cells. The stats. Strength-to-weight ratio surpasses structural steel. Vascular bundles, arranged in a way that allows the plant to resist extreme tension and compression without a single chemical additive. Unlike trees, which grow from the outside in, bamboo is a hollow core marvel. Those vascular bundles are densest at the exterior, exactly where the mechanical stress is highest. This isn't just a garden plant, it's a blueprint for a non-toxic industrial revolution. Beyond the garden turf, we need to reclassify Poaceae, the grass family. It's not just turf. It is a high-tech carbon sink. Bamboo can sequester 4 times more carbon dioxide than hardwood forests and generates 35% more oxygen. Because of its rapid biomass production, it's the only resource scalable enough to replace the trillions of endocrine-disrupting synthetics we use every year. We are talking about a material that is grown in soil, not processed in a refinery. Replacing synthetics with biosolutions. So, how do we get there? The 2026 Grown Infrastructure. The climax of this theme is the transition from oil extraction to cellulose cultivation. Lignocellulosic fractionation. This is the golden tech. We can now break bamboo down into pure cellulose nanocrystals to create bioglass and bioresins. In 2026, we've seen the rise of bamboo-based biocomposites. These materials actually outperform traditional plastics in high-heat environments. By using all-cellulose processing, we've eliminated the need for fossil fuel-derived binders and resins. These aren't just prototypes, they are the new standard for food-safe infrastructure. Your blueprint for a plastic-free future. It's time for a home audit. Here is your blueprint for a plastic-free future. The kitchen swap. Replace any scratched plastic containers, leaching zones, with high-tensile bamboo composites. Check the heat. Never microwave plastic. Switch to bamboo fiber or glass alternatives. The textile shift. Synthetic clothes shed microplastics in the wash. Look for Poaceae-derived fibers. The long-term health benefits of reducing your exposure to phthalates and BPA are massive. We are moving toward a circular economy where our daily tools are grown, not manufactured. The future isn't plastic. It's green, it's fast-growing, and it's under our feet. Would you like me to generate a specific list of 2026 compliant bamboo biocomposite brands you can look for?